In this video, we will show you how to save your Google Docs as PDF. To save your Google Docs or Google Documents as PDF, it's very easy. In here, you can just click Files and click Download and select PDF format. Let's put on our desktop, for example. In here, you have successfully saved your Google Documents or Google Doc as PDF files. And if you don't like that, you can just click File and click Download. Just select Microsoft Words and then click Save. Then you can convert to make it suitable for you. Just type doc to PDF. And then in here, I suggest you can using I love PDF, and using small PDF it's also good. Okay, now you can click select Word files and select your documents and convert to PDF. With I love PDF, you can just converting for free, but in the small PDF you have limited in here. Okay, you can do in small PDF to convert document to PDF within just maybe 2 until 5 limited. Okay, you can click download now. Okay, this is using I love PDF. Okay, and this is using small PDF. For each converter, using online converter maybe have different results, so you can just select the best for you. That's a tutorial how to save Google Documents or Google Docs as PDF. Hope this video helpful for you.